Hey guys, welcome to another video. I know it's been a while since I have uploaded. I've been a little busy with my work and all. I hope everyone's game development is going good. So in this video, I'm going to talk about ad mediation. What is ad mediation? Well, in short we can say it's an optimization technique to increase the eCPM of the ads running in your game. But what exactly does ad mediation do and what problems does it solve for a developer? The answer for this question is, suppose you have a game and you are not getting enough revenue even if you have a good user base. The reason for this is your ad network is not giving you a high quality ad or it is giving you a low bid for ads. So if you do ad mediation in this game, you can make sure you're getting good eCPM and good fill rate. It's a cool strategy to increase the ad revenue of your game. So let's discuss its benefits, and I will introduce you to a tool called Appbroda which will help you to do the mediation in an effective way. Well, you guessed it, this video is sponsored by Appbroda. Appbroda is a tool which helps you to integrate Google Ad Manager directly to your game. The advantage of this is it helps you to connect to different ad networks like Unity Ads, Admob, Facebook Ads, IronSource, Applovin and other ad networks. So what Appbroda do is it helps you to get the demands of various ad networks to compete for an ad slot in your game. For example, you are already using Admob but you get same eCPM even after the growth of your active users. By using mediation, you can get ads from Unity, Admob, Facebook, IronSource, Applovin and other ad networks, and the highest bidder will get the slot. This will help you to generate more eCPM for your games and it will increase your fill rate. Some of the benefits of using ad mediation are, you will get a higher fill rate as multiple ad networks can use the inventory that is sold through open bidding. You get higher eCPM as multiple ad networks compete and the inventory is sold to the highest bidder. No dependency on a single network and no low quality ads. Unlike other app business solution providers, Appbroda do not integrate an SDK on your app. Rather, they link Google Ad Manager to the Firebase, through which they gather insights and analyze the data to increase the revenue streams of your game. Appbroda tests new ad layout variations and implement app monetization strategies, but nothing goes through without the user's approval. Now let's discuss how to implement it in your game. If you're already using platforms like IronSource, Unity, Max, Ad Manager or any network, there you can create an ad mediation group and add your ad networks. After creating a mediation group, you can set priorities either by ad network preference or by bidding preference. In the first one, you can choose which ad network you want to give priority to. In the second one, the highest bidder will show the ad. You will get the integration of Google Ad Manager for your game and effective mediation tools. Here is a picture of how Appbroda is integrating all the networks with Applovin. You can see the rise in the eCPM as Appbroda only chooses ads with a higher value. So if you have a game and you are facing such problems mentioned before, then consider using Appbroda and increase the revenue. You can check out Appbroda through the link in the description below. So that's it, that's the end of this video. As always, like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video.